Council.
And now it's Nam on corner duties. In swing floater, the keeper has missed it. And a quick counter, slipping in Ansumana Kroma. He's got the keeper to beat, and Kroma. Nice release. Here comes a chance at the far post, and this is the opening goal for Rajasthan United within the first minute of the second half.
Warm welcome. We are in the Indian Oil Durand Cup, the Group A that's being held for the first time at the Sports Authority of India Stadium in Kokrajhar. And that was the Honorable Raksha Mantri of the country, Sri Rajnath Singh. And he was received by the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Sri Hemanta Biswa Sharma, and the Chief Executive Member of the Bodoland Territorial Council.
All eyes on the very now on Kokrajhar, on Assam, a historic first for the city in hosting a national club competition. And this is how Bodoland FC have lined up. Daimari Basumatary keeps the lineup unchanged from that warm-up game against Northeast United. This is the season opener, so club football is the flavor. It's a wonderful setting, the colors, the fans, and one cannot ask for more. Here is the Rajasthan team, and Pushpender Kundu has gone with the 4-2-1-3 lineup. 3 new signings in Sachin Jha, Denzel, and Sairwat Kima, all in the starting 11. William Opoku, of course, this is where it all began for him. A brilliant opportunity for Ichizono as well. So off we go here. 12 from the ISL, 5 from the I-League, 1 from the second division, and 4 from the armed forces, with 2 from the neighboring countries come together once again to continue the stories. And now released forward. Here is Changte. He's got Rakesh Pradhan for company. Changte goes on the outside, delivers towards the far post, and soars above the host of yellow shirts. And Binan Singh will see it go out for a throw-in. Leaves it for William to take over. William hangs it up towards the back post, and Ichizona gets his head onto it and will bring a corner for Rajasthan United. And now it's Nam on corner duties. In swing floater, the keeper has missed it. Could have stabbed it on the line, but the arrow saving grace for Bodoland FC. That could will have been the opener for the Desert Warriors.
Very close there, Rajasthan United. Great set piece in swinging corner, making it difficult for the goalkeeper, and just missing there Hardik, the captain of Rajasthan.
To exploit that gap behind him, Changte away from one, slightly wayward that pass. And a quick counter, slipping in Ansumana Kroma. He's got the keeper to beat, and Kroma drives it low. What a chance for the Liberian. Here is Arjun. He's got Hardik to deal with. Arjun comes inside, goes for goal. And almost away from nestling into the second post. Rasping past the goalkeeper. Wrong footing Hardik Bhatt. And goes for that drive. The keeper was beaten, all ends up. And I can guarantee you, if that was on target, there's nothing that Sachin Jha would have done on that occasion.
This is the first time that the Durand Cup matches are being hosted in Kokrajhar, Sai Stadium.
Nice release. Here comes a chance at the far post, and this is the opening goal for Rajasthan United within the first minute of the second half. It drives that one across the face of goal. Denzel. And a telling touch from the number 11 of Rajasthan United, William. He was approaching from the far side and eventually gets a decisive touch. And we have the first goal of this game up top.
The effort from Denzel could not find the target, but William was there in the far post, using that work rate, that effort, that extra desire, and keeping his run on and ultimately finishing the ball and giving Rajasthan a well-deserved lead in this game against Bodoland FC.
Making it very, very comfortable for ENGKHONG, who's had a pretty quiet game so far in terms of making saves, in terms of getting involved in this game, apart from a few hiccups in the opening minutes.
Ball had fallen for William there, but getting stopped because of the ground conditions, and the referee blows his whistle to stop the game.
The referee certainly going to have a word with his assistants, Ashwin. Pretty low visibility here. And the ball not rolling on the turf, which is why looks like a postponement in play. Rajasthan United will be happy to go in with a lead. William just opening the scoring on the 47th minute mark from Denzel's attempted shot. It looked like a cross-come shot rather. That's the information from the center. The play here at the side ground in Kokrajhar is suspended due to the bad weather conditions.